Welcome to You Can Plumbing. I'm Mark the Plumber. Today we're going to take a look at this outside tap handle that we replaced the other day. It's a little bit sloppy and loose, so we're just going to fix that up. Because all we need is our flathead screwdriver. You see, just the flathead. Nice and easy. Little Teflon tape. We're going to snug up that handle with some Teflon tape. Pop that out of the container. And we'll just loosen this handle off here. Get that flathead. I wish they'd switch to something like Robertson's, but this tap is probably from 71. So lefty loosey. There we go. Take the rest of it out with the fingers. Way easier than jabbing my hand with the screwdriver over and over again. Pop that handle off. There we go. You can see inside it hasn't stripped it up or anything. So it's a little bit loose when it goes on there. So what we'll do is we'll apply a little Teflon tape. So just get started. I always like to go, you should always go Teflon tape just to practice for when you're using a pipe. Go clockwise, just righty-tighty. It's the way to go. It helps it go into the threads when you're threading onto, when you're going to be threading something on here. Just the way I've always done it. So we'll put, I don't know, we'll try 3 or 4 wraps to begin with. We'll see how that works. And then we'll try the handle on there. Always smush it down, try and flatten it out. Now we'll pop this handle on. See how that is? It's still pretty loose. Yeah, definitely loose. Nope, we'll pop on some more wraps of this. I don't know, I don't know, I'm just going to wrap it a bunch of times. It doesn't hurt. The Teflon will actually move. And as you can see, I'm just showing you how everybody feels when they put Teflon tape. I wish. Always seems like you got a handful of thumbs whenever you're trying to put Teflon tape on. Now we'll just put a whole bunch of wraps on here. I don't know, I'm just going to keep going and going and going. The stuff that's too much we'll just push out of the way when we push the handle on, but it was pretty loose. There we go. Pull the little tabby off there. Smoosh it around. There we go. You know, you just want to wiggle it a bit, feel the threads kind of line up, and then give it a little shove on. You don't have to push it too hard. Teflon isn't that strong. There we go. But it fills up the grooves. That feels pretty good. Now, you can try and start a screw with a screwdriver, but the problem is, doesn't matter what you do, you're going to bend and flop and twist and probably jab yourself in the finger. So you know what? Just stop. Use your fingers. Start it. Get it going. Screw it in as far as you can using your fingers. That way you don't strip the screw. You know, make sure the handle's in there nice and tight. There we go. Now we'll just, let that hornet or wasp, where the heck that is, let him clear out of here. Jesus. That time of year, I guess. There we go, he's out of the way. Now let's get this tightened up before he gets back here. There we go. You know, snug it. You don't have to crank it too hard. You want to stab yourself in the hand with your screwdriver. There. We can turn that water back on. Goes on nice and easy. The big part is shutting her off. There we go. You can give it a little bit of force now and it won't just spin in your hands. So that's easy fix, just like changing it. Just took a screwdriver and one extra thing. Took the Teflon tape this time. So there you have it. That's how to tighten up the handle when you replace it on your outside tap. Now, I appreciate you watching this video. You know, if you'd like, I'd appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. You know, smash that like button. Subscribe. You know, it helps out a lot. And if you have any comments, I want comments. I want you to let me know how I'm doing. Tell me what you want to see. If you want to see more angles, better angles, I don't know. You got to tell me what you need. Maybe a little more detail in my explanation. Anyways, until next time, thanks for watching.